Hey guys, Brandon Fix here. Today is part 2 of the Pocket Bike Drag Racing build series. So today in this video, what I want to get accomplished is I want to get the jack shaft. I want to get the sprocket part over here. I want to get this off and flip this around over here. I'm going to try to do that. Because you guys can see the motor sticks up halfway out of this to this. So what I'm going to do is when I flip-flop the jack shaft, the sprocket part, one sprocket of the chain is going to go right here to where it is. The other is going to come out here to catch the chain. But as you guys can see, the motor's like on the lean. So I also want to get the motor straightened out. I'm probably going to have to unbolt this. And then I got the corner here, cut out a slot, slide the engine over. So those are the things I want to accomplish today. And I want to try getting the back tire off. Because when I'm riding this, the tire is supposed to lock this into place and spin, but instead it goes that because I did switch tires out. It used to be this way. So what I'm going to do is probably take this out, flop it back over, check out that. But this might be in another video. But I did create a custom exhaust. And this went straight pipe. It's temporary for now. Sooner or later, I want to get it come in more, come all the way down, go out to here, go out there. But that's when I extend the swing arm. And I welded up. I welded up my suspension, so it sits higher now. I just took a piece of heavy-duty metal, welded it to the frame, and to stop this from coming all the way down, I welded a nut right there. So let's get to work. So to take out the sprocket jack shaft part, I gotta take out this C-clip right here, take that out, pull this out. There should be like another space right there I gotta get out, and then I'm gonna unbolt that over there. Okay, so I got my clip removed, put that down over here. Now, this should slide out. Put that out. I'm gonna oil that back up. Then I'm gonna work on getting this axle part out. Okay, so there's two nuts I gotta remove, but I'm gonna put the vice grips on this one and put the impact on this one, and hopefully that will just, when I take that one out, that one will just spin off. Okay, so we got that out. So I'm getting ready to install my jack shaft. I just oiled it. So instead of sliding in this way, I'm going to slide it in this way. Okay, so I got the jack shaft removed, but I also broke my back fender, but I'm going to try fixing that. I might plastic mold it, but now I gotta put my jack shaft on this side. So I have the jack shaft bolted down. Now all I gotta do is, I actually oiled that up to lube this up. So all I gotta do is slide this back in, get my C-clip in, and that's done. Okay, so I got the jack shaft all set up now, and I want to give you guys a view of how this is supposed to work. I'll have a chain right here, coming to right here. Then I'll also have a chain coming right here to going on this one. So when the tire spins, it will spin this with the chain, it will spin that chain, which will move the clutch. So right now I've been working on, for the past like almost hour, 25 minutes, fix chain, mounting my chain. I had to cut off a lot of the chain. I got that on, now I just gotta get my clip on. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I got the motor running today. I was gonna got my chains somewhat hooked up. But so all I gotta do now is get my throttle. I gotta buy a stud for the car. I'm gonna have to do something to pull start. Doing an oil change, get the throttle hooked up, and then should be ready to ride. Yeah, if you guys like the video, subscribe, comment below, and stay tuned for this build.